Hey everyone, today on Darpan we talk about Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau keen on keeping the US-Canada border closure. The BC NDP will launch second medical school at SFU Surrey campus if it continues to govern after election night. A re-elected BC NDP government will launch BC's second medical school to expand the province's healthcare workforce, training more doctors, nurses, nurse practitioners and the public health professionals that have guided us through the pandemic. The leader of the BC NDP, John Horgan, said COVID-19 has driven home just how important the people who work in our healthcare system are to our safety and security. A new medical school will ensure we are training and graduating the next generation of health heroes to work right here in British Columbia. It will give more opportunities for young people to achieve their dreams in the fastest growing part of our province. Health Minister Adrian Dix announced that the new medical school will be established at Simon Fraser University with a central facility at the SFU Surrey campus and learning centres distributed across the Fraser Health Authority. The school will include a partnership with Fraser Health and one with First Nations Health Authority to develop training to meet the needs of Indigenous communities. Dix said the first graduating class would be 2023 to 2024. We're training hundreds more nurses and healthcare assistants with new urgent and primary care centres and primary care networks that will add 1,300 doctors and nurses over the next few years. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau says he plans to keep Canada's border closed as long as coronavirus cases remain high in the U.S. Trudeau said Wednesday morning, "We have committed to keeping Canadians safe and we keep extending the border closures because the States is not in a place where we would feel comfortable reopening those borders. We will continue to make sure that Canadian safety is top of mind when we move forward. We see the cases in the United States and elsewhere around the world, and we need to continue to keep these border controls in place," he added. Trudeau closed Canada's international borders to non-essential travel in March when the COVID-19 pandemic hit. Similar restrictions went into effect along the US-Canada border with exemptions for trade. The US and Canadian governments have renewed the closure on a monthly basis, with non-essential travel currently restricted until October the 21st.
This video is brought to you by Amarpal Singh, a TD mortgage advisor.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.